Tom was always in a rush. Whether it was for work, meetings, or even grabbing a cup of coffee, he never seemed to have enough time. One Friday afternoon, as Tom hurried home after a long week, he realized something alarming: his apartment key was missing. Panic set in. He emptied his pockets, rummaged through his bag, and retraced his steps in his mind. Nothing. The key was gone. Tom stood outside his apartment door, frustrated. He had an important meeting the next day, and his spare key was with his friend Jake, who lived across town. With no other option, he decided to make the trip to Jake's place. It was a long journey, and as Tom rode the bus, he reflected on his hectic life. Always running from one place to another, never stopping to enjoy a moment. Maybe losing the key was a sign that he needed to slow down. When he arrived at Jake's apartment, Jake was surprised to see him. "Tom. What are you doing here?" "I lost my key," Tom explained, feeling embarrassed. "I need the spare," Jake smiled and invited Tom inside. "I have the key, but before you leave, stay for a while. You're always so busy, we never hang out anymore." Reluctantly, Tom agreed. They sat on the couch, catching up on life. Jake poured them both a cup of tea, and for the first time in a long time, Tom felt relaxed. They talked about old times, laughed about silly things, and shared stories about their busy lives. Hours passed, and Tom realized how much he missed moments like these. The simple act of sitting down and talking with a friend reminded him of the things that truly mattered. Before he left, Jake handed him the spare key. "Take it easy, Tom," he said with a grin. "Not everything has to be done in a hurry," Tom smiled back. "You're right. I think I needed this more than I realized." As Tom made his way back home, he felt a sense of calm wash over him. Maybe losing the key wasn't such a bad thing after all. It was a reminder that life wasn't just about rushing from one task to another. It was about slowing down and appreciating the people and moments that make life meaningful.
Now it's quiz time. What did Tom lose? A. Wallet. B. Phone. C. Key. D. Watch. Answer: C. Key. Where was Tom's spare key? A. With his neighbor. B. In his office. C. With Jake. D. At the park. Answer: C. With Jake. How did Tom feel when he lost the key? A. Happy. B. Calm. C. Frustrated. D. Excited. Answer: C. Frustrated. What did Jake offer Tom when he visited? A. Coffee. B. Tea. C. Water. D. Juice. Answer: B. Tea. What lesson did Tom learn? A. To work harder. B. To always rush. C. To slow down and appreciate life. D. To buy a new key. Answer: C. To slow down and appreciate life.
Now it's vocabulary time. Rummage, meaning to search for something in a hurried or careless way by moving things around. Hectic, meaning full of activity, or very busy and fast-paced. Reluctantly, meaning unwillingly or with hesitation. Embarrassed, meaning feeling awkward or self-conscious about something. Reflect, meaning to think deeply or carefully about something.